2.2 Haute Diggity Dog Case Brief Issue and Holding. Issue 2. If a trademark is viewed by consuming public to be famous mark with distinctiveness and possessing strong association to its goods and services as source origin, then any trademark parody by contending party would automatically inflict trademark dilution upon this famous mark. Holding 2. No. The more famous the mark among consuming public, the less likely a trademark parody would dilute its brand selling power and valuation via public confusion over a mark's source origin. For trademark laws are established to protect the consuming public in identifying a source of origin for a mark, and not its creativity or authorship origins.